If you've ever wondered how to anchor in Tinkercad, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple way to lock an object in place so it stops moving while you keep building your design. Tinkercad does not actually have a tool named Anchor, but the lock feature does exactly what most people mean when they say they want to anchor something. This is perfect when you want to keep one part of your model fixed while you edit the rest. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Tinkercad design and find the object you want to keep in place. This could be a base, a wall, a support piece, or any part of your project that should not shift around while you work. Click on the object once to select it. When it is selected, you'll see the editing handles around it, which means Tinkercad is ready for you to make changes. Now, to lock that object, look to the inspector window in the top right corner of the screen. In that area, you will see a padlock icon. This is the key feature you need. Click that lock icon, and Tinkercad will secure the object in place. Once it is locked, you won't be able to accidentally drag it, resize it, or modify it the same way you normally would. There is also a very quick keyboard shortcut you can use. Just press Ctrl L on your keyboard. That shortcut performs the same lock action, so it's a great option if you want to work faster. If you are locking multiple objects, you can select them together and use the same method to keep them all fixed in position. Here's how you can tell that an object is locked. When you click it again, you'll notice a purple outline around it. That purple highlight is Tinkercad's way of showing you that the object is protected and cannot be edited normally. If you try to move it, nothing will happen until you unlock it first. When you are ready to edit the object again, unlocking it is just as easy. Select the locked object, then click the padlock icon one more time. You can also press Ctrl L again to toggle the lock off. Once unlocked, the object will behave normally, and you can move, resize, or adjust it however you want. This is a really useful trick for keeping your designs organized, especially in more detailed projects where one small accidental movement can throw off your entire layout. Locking objects can save you time, prevent mistakes, and make your workflow much smoother in Tinkercad. So just to recap, if you want to anchor something in Tinkercad, select the object, click the padlock icon in the inspector window, or use Ctrl L. Watch for the purple outline to confirm it is locked, and unlock it the same way whenever you need to make changes again. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Tinkercad tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.